Hi everyone, Christmas has come early because you can see the beautiful reindeer here at the Metro Centre. So we're at the Gateshead Metro Centre retail park at the Ionity hub we've covered before. I showed you this in construction and when it went live. There's two cars here at the moment, an Enyaq and a Porsche Taycan. Is it a Cross Turismo? Looks more estatey, but Ionity are expanding. And how many we're going to get? We're getting at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, possibly 8 more. So more rapid chargers coming to Gateshead. Is that a petrol car parking up? I'm not sure. Maybe it's an IX. Don't know. So more EV chargers coming to Newcastle. Just as I've noticed that across the road, in Swallwell, at a retail park there. There is Elektra chargers, 12 Elektra DC rapid chargers coming. So there's loads more expansion to the EV network coming. I'm suddenly realising I'm in the middle of this thing. Which is amazing. Look, and the engineers just having a little break. Most of the groundworks have gone in now. They just got to put some concrete down again. But yeah, more expansions here. You can see the huge grid connections they've got. And the reason that so many are going in here is that it's a crucial part of the A1. Well, look, we're right by lots of food retail. So we've got a Starbucks, we've got a Krispy Kreme, we've got a Toby, we've got a Burger King. You're right by the Metro Centre, so there's loads of leisure you could do. There's loads of restaurants inside the Metro Centre too that are quite nice. And there's loads of other things you do. So if you're driving up to London, you're going to Edinburgh, you need a charge. Newcastle Gateshead is vaguely convenient. You've got Ionity here. There's a new membership for Ionity, and they've got a passport. They've got 2 levels, but one of them allows you to get it at the super low price of 37p now, which is crazy low. We've not seen 37p rapid charging for years. When GridSurf Coast came on the market, they were 30p, which is crazy. I think that was maybe 2020, early 2020, before the gas price crisis. And now we're returning to 37p with Ionity, albeit via a membership. But if you're using a lot of rapid charging, that makes a lot of sense. Okay, ciao.